Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Google Play Store. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Google Play Store on your device and tap Sign In. Once you get to the sign in page, enter your Gmail address or your phone number. If you forget your Gmail, tap Forgot Email and follow the instructions. When done, tap Next. Now enter your account password, and if you forget your password, tap Forgot Password and reset it. Once you are done, tap Next. You can also choose to turn your account backup on or off. Also go through the terms of service and tap I agree. Similarly, tap Accept to continue. And that's how you log into Google Play Store. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.